Hey guys, it's Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at a 2007 to 2018 Toyota Tundra. We put a 2.5-inch rough country level lift on it, some red dirt road crawlers, otherwise known as RD08s, some 33 1250 R20 Fury Country Hunter mud terrain tires in their 12 plies, some rough country pocket fender flares that we painted the color match, and some rough country full length with your bed access Nerf steps in fab style. Rough country's 2.5-inch level lift for these Tundras come with some shims, so you could lift it up to a 3-inch lift. These 12-ply Furies are great for your half-ton and especially 3/4 ton and 1-ton trucks for anybody that hauls. The customer that's getting this done to his truck is in the yard business, so he hauls around a trailer with yard equipment all the time. These red dirt road crawlers, RD08s, they come in a 20x9. They don't come in 10s or 12s, just 9s. They come all black, black and milled, or a machined face. It's just a very clean and classy wheel. Besides that, it's a piece of cake putting a level on these suckers. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment or shoot us an email or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. And if you want any of these parts for your truck or Jeep or anything for your vehicle, please go to our website, central-alps.com, and let's get your parts ordered today. And again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.